Hello everyone, I am Miss Priyanka Sanjay Latte, working as lecturer at More Education Society's Molecular Institute of Pharmacy Sone. In this presentation, I am going to discuss topic that is antihypertensive drugs. This topic we will discuss for first year D Pharmacy students. Content of presentation: definition of hypertensive and antihypertensive, effects of hypertension, causes, synonym, biological source, organoleptic characters, geographical distribution, preparation for market, chemical constituents, chemical taste, cultivation and collection, microscopic characters, uses, substituents and allied drugs, extra features of following drugs. Ralphia. Firstly, we will discuss definitions of hypertension. Hypertension is defined as either a sustained systolic blood pressure (SBP) of greater than 140 mm of Hg or a sustained diastolic blood pressure of greater than 90 mm of Hg. An agent that reduces the high blood pressure is called as an antihypertensive. Example: Ralphia. Prehypertension, systolic between 120 to 139 mm of Hg and diastolic between 80 to 89 mm of Hg. Effects of hypertension: increases risk of heart diseases, heart failure, kidney diseases, blindness and stroke. Primary hypertension, no known reason. Secondary hypertension, due to some causes such as kidney disease, abnormalities of adrenal glands. We'll try non-pharmacological methods first. Causes: it results from increased arterial resistance, reduced capacitance, increased peripheral vascular smooth muscle tone. Next drugs: Ralphia. Synonyms: Ralphia root, chota chan, sarpagandha, snake root. Biological source: it consists of dried roots of the plant known as Ralphia serpentina belonging to family Apocynaceae. It is collected in Atenum from 3 to 4 years old plant along with the bark. It contains not less than 0.14% of alkaloids calculated as reserpine. Ralphia refers to the name of scientist Dr. Ralphia, and serpentina refers to a long snake-like structure of root. Organoleptic characters: color: root bark grayish yellowish to brown and wood pale yellow. Odor: odorless. Taste: bitter. Size: long 10 to 15 cm and diameter 1 to 3 cm. Shape: roots are subcylindrical, slightly tapering, tortuous. Fractures is short and irregular. The transversely cut surface is white, dense, with finely radiating xylem. Next point: geographical distribution. Several species of Ralphia are found distributed in the tropical regions of Asia, America, and Africa. Commercially, it is produced in India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, and America. In India, it is cultivated in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Orissa, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. Preparation for market. When the plants are about 3 to 4 years old, they are uprooted. The roots are cut properly, washed so as to remove the earthy matters and dried in air. The average yield of roots per hectare is 1,200 kg. It may vary depending upon the soil, climatic conditions, and age of the plant. Next point, chemical constituents. About 13 indole alkaloids have been reported in drug, and total alkaloidal content of Rauwolfia roots range from 0.7 to 3% depending upon the source. Alkaloids are concentrated mostly in the bark of the roots. The alkaloids of Rauwolfia are broadly classified into the following types. First, indole alkaloids. Second, indoline alkaloids. Third, indolenine alkaloids. Fourth, oxyindole alkaloids. Fifth, pseudoindoxyl alkaloids. The important alkaloid of Rauwolfia is rizerpine. Apart from the alkaloids, it also contains oleoresin, phytosterol, fatty acids, unsaturated alcohol, and sugars. The other alkaloids present in the drug are ajmalicin, ajmalin, rauwolfinin, riscinamide, rizerpine, yohimbine, serpentine, and serpentinine. The major alkaloids, rizerpine and riscinamide, are esters derived from methyl rizerpate and trimethyl oxybenzoic acid in rizerpine and trimethoxycinnamic acid in case of riscinamide. Rizerpine-like alkaloids are colorimetrically determined by reaction between acidic solution of alkaloid and sodium nitrate. Chemical test. First, freshly fractured surface of root of Rauwolfia gives red coloration along with medullary rays when treated with concentrated nitric acid. Second, rizerpine gives violet-red color when treated with solution of vanillin in acetic acid. Next point, cultivation and collection. Under wide range of climatic conditions, Rauwolfia grows luxuriantly. However, it flourishes in hot, humid conditions and grows satisfactorily in shade. In wild state, it grows in variety of soils, but for cultivation, clay loamy soil with large amount of humus and good drainage are supposed to be ideal. The pH of the soil should be acidic and around 4. The temperature range for cultivation is 10 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Rainfall should be in the range of 250 to 500 centimeter. Soil containing large amount of sand make the plants more susceptible to diseases. It can be propagated by various methods such as by seeds, roots, cutting, root stumps, etc. The propagation from seeds is usually the method of choice. The healthy seeds are sown into the nursery beds. The rate of germination of seeds is very low, hence sufficient quantity of the seeds be sown. Sowing is done in the month of May or at the bark of monsoon. The seedlings are then transplanted in the month of August at a distance of 16 to 30 centimeter. The needs about 5 kg of seeds to produce the seedlings sufficient to cover the area of 1 hectare after transplantation. The shrub is about 1 meter in height with white or rose colored flowers and purplish black fruits. The plants are provided with various chemical fertilizers and manures. The chemical fertilizers include ammonium sulfate, urea, while the manures includes generally the bone meal. The plants are kept free from weeds. Next point, microscopic characters. The cork is made up of satisfied cells followed by phylloderms of few rods of parenchyma. Phloem is narrow, parenchymatous with small scattered sieve tissue. Parenchyma contains starch grains and few latex cells with brown resinous matter. Secondary phloem contains calcium oxalate crystals. Xylem is about 4 to 5th of the diameter of the root and consists of vessels, tracheids, wood parenchyma and wood fibers. Stone cells and phloem fibers are absent. Next point, uses. The activities of Rauwolfia are mainly due to reserpine, which has depressant action on central nervous system. It produces tranquilizing effect (emotional calmness without producing hypnosis) complete and lowers the blood pressure. It can be administered orally and has cumulative effect. It is also given parenterally in the treatment of hypertension when the oral route is found to be impracticable. Reserpine should be used with caution in anxiety, depression, and in the patients with cardiac arrhythmia, myocardial infarction, bronchitis, asthma, or gastric ulcers. It has tranquilizing effect rather than hypnotic one. Next point, substituent and allied drugs. Rauwolfia is substituted with several species like Rauwolfia densiflora, Rauwolfia paragynnis, etc. This can be distinguished by the microscopic characters like presence of sclerenchyma, Rauwolfia tetraphylia Rauwolfia canensis contains uniform cork, abundant sclerites and fibers. It contains no ricinoamine. The root of Rauwolfia omitoria contain 5 discontinuous bands of sclerenchyma and very large vessels. Next point, extra features. Roots are rough with longitudinal marking and slightly wrinkled surface. Rootlets are usually absent, but few small circular root scars with tetrastitious arrangements are seen. Thank you.